Hey, what's up, guys? John Erickson here. Thanks so much for the opportunity to read for Leslie.
There are more projects than ever, and I haven't booked all year. What am I doing wrong? No one knows who you are. We gotta shake things up, make a big splash, hit all the red carpets and scandalous outfits. PR buzz.
You gotta lay low. Be mysterious. Dress classy. Be hard to reach. Old Hollywood never goes out of style.
Go to every event, big or small. Day celebs, eye candy, Getty images.
Skip the premieres. Leave them guessing. Who was that?
Fake it till you make it. 8 impressions to make them remember. I know who that is. Melissa Warren. Offer only, baby.
Keep them guessing. Who was that? Melissa Warren?
Go big or go home.
Less is more.
More is more. Great. But I was asking for feedback on my self-tapes and why I wasn't booking. Hang in there, kid. You'll get the next one.
Your time is coming. Just keep going.
Okay. Thanks.
Oh, and you need new headshots.